Want to grow fresh herbs, vegetables, and greens indoors without soil, mess, or seasonal limits? Hydroponics growing systems make it easy to enjoy homegrown produce all year round. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best hydroponics growing systems you can get today. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Kingsyard Hydroponics Growing System. The Kingsyard Hydroponics Growing System brings the future of indoor gardening right to your countertop. Designed with convenience and efficiency in mind, this smart hydroponic garden kit makes it possible to grow fresh herbs, vegetables, and salad greens all year round, completely soil-free and mess-free. Equipped with a 15-pod capacity, the system features a 48-watt full-spectrum LED grow light with a 23-inch adjustable height, ensuring your plants receive optimal lighting as they grow taller. With 3 light modes, adjustable brightness, and an auto timer, the system replicates natural light cycles, accelerating plant growth up to 5 times faster than traditional soil-based gardening. One of its standout features is the efficient fogging pump, which creates an ultra-fine mist that mimics natural rainfall. This not only nourishes roots, but also helps maintain water quality and oxygenation, reducing the risk of root rot. The whisper-quiet operation ensures continuous circulation of water and nutrients, keeping your plants healthy even in cooler temperatures. With an upgraded 169-ounce water tank, the Kingsyard system supports extended growth cycles without frequent refills. The combination of a large reservoir, fine misting, and a smart LED spectrum makes it an ideal solution for those seeking bigger harvests and healthier plants in a compact space. Perfect for families, the soil-free design makes it easy for both kids and adults to participate in gardening at home. Whether you're cultivating fresh basil for cooking, crisp lettuce for salads, or experimenting with a variety of herbs, this system delivers a fun, educational, and rewarding experience. The Kingsyard Hydroponics Growing System is more than just a garden. It's a year-round solution for fresh, homegrown produce, and a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves cooking, healthy living, or innovative home technology. Next up, at number 4, we have the Homeleafy Hydroponics Growing System. The Homeleafy Hydroponics Growing System is designed to transform the way you approach indoor gardening by blending advanced smart technology with simplicity. Featuring an 8-pod setup, it allows you to grow herbs, vegetables, and greens without soil, pests, or the stress of overwatering. With the intuitive app, you can adjust plant growth plans, receive timely reminders to add water or nutrients, and monitor your garden remotely, all with just a few taps. At the core of this system is a scientifically engineered light panel that uses 3 precise wavelengths and infrared LEDs to replicate natural sunlight. This optimized lighting not only supports healthy plant development, but also helps them grow up to 3 times faster compared to traditional methods. The customizable light intensity and scheduling options ensure that each plant receives the right care, no matter its growth stage. The smart app control enhances the experience further by allowing you to switch between different growth modes, adjust pump settings, and fine-tune schedules from anywhere. This makes gardening effortless and highly adaptable to different plant varieties. Homeleafy also makes setup easy and fun, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need: grow sponges, brackets, germination domes, stickers, and tweezers accompanied by step-by-step instructions. It's an excellent way to introduce kids to the world of plants while creating a thriving indoor herb garden for your home. With its sleek, food-grade stainless steel body, the Homeleafy system not only ensures plant safety and hygiene, but also adds a touch of elegance to any interior. Its compact size and easy-to-clean design make it practical for everyday use. Beyond functionality, it makes a thoughtful gift, offering fresh ingredients, cleaner air, and a soothing natural aroma to enhance daily life. By bringing people together through gardening, Homeleafy delivers both freshness and joy, making it more than just a device, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Taking the 3rd spot is the Gardencube Hydroponics Growing System. The Gardencube Hydroponics Growing System brings the future of indoor gardening into your home, allowing you to grow fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers all year round. Designed with advanced technology, it ensures faster growth and healthier plants without the need for soil. At the heart of the system is a powerful 24-watt LED grow light that mimics natural sunlight, helping plants thrive through enhanced photosynthesis. The adjustable LED panel can reach up to 21 inches in height and rotate up to 180 degrees, giving plants the ideal amount of light while also making pruning easier. This technology helps plants grow up to 5 times faster than traditional soil-based methods, ensuring quick and consistent harvests. The system also features a smart, quiet watering mechanism powered by a premium ceramic core water pump. Operating at less than 20 decibels, it cycles every 30 minutes to deliver oxygen to the roots and keep energy consumption low. A built-in water shortage indicator makes maintenance stress-free, reminding you exactly when to refill the 3-liter tank, which is conveniently designed with a transparent window to monitor water levels. Setting up and using the Gardencube Hydroponics growing system is simple. The kit includes everything you need to get started, and the built-in control panel makes plant care effortless. With automated light cycles, 16 hours on and 8 hours off, you can select between vegetable or flower and fruit modes for optimized growth. Practical in design, the detachable and height-adjustable light pole makes cleaning easy while preventing damage. With its 8 growing pods, you can cultivate a variety of fresh produce like basil, lettuce, rosemary, or tomatoes right from your kitchen or living room. Perfect as a gift for plant lovers, families, or anyone who enjoys gardening, the Gardencube Hydroponics growing system is both a fun and educational way to explore modern gardening. It offers not just convenience, but also the joy of harvesting fresh, healthy food anytime, anywhere. Coming in at number 2 is the Ahopegarden Hydroponics growing system. The Ahopegarden Hydroponics growing system brings modern gardening into the comfort of your home, making it possible to grow fresh vegetables, herbs, and flowers year-round. Designed with high planting efficiency in mind, it combines a water reservoir, an overhead LED grow light, and a built-in circulation system that keeps the water fresh for healthier plant growth. With just seeds, water, and nutrients, users can easily start their indoor garden and enjoy faster, more reliable harvests. Equipped with 10 growing pods, the system offers ample space to cultivate a variety of plants simultaneously. The water reservoir features a convenient see-through window, allowing you to monitor water levels at a glance and refill when necessary. This practical design ensures plants receive consistent hydration without guesswork. The full-spectrum LED grow light mimics natural sunlight and offers 2 modes, blue light for vegetables and red light for fruits and flowers. This flexibility makes it suitable for everything from leafy greens to blooming flowers, adjusting easily to the plant type. The adjustable light post extends up to 14.5 inches, accommodating plants as they grow taller. With its built-in 16-hour on, 8-hour off timer, the system automates the light cycle, making it almost effortless to maintain. Compact enough to fit on a kitchen counter, this indoor garden adds both function and charm to any home. It's not only a convenient way to keep fresh ingredients within reach, but also a delightful gift idea for families, especially during holidays like Christmas. The Ahopegarden Hydroponics growing system turns everyday spaces into thriving gardens, offering freshness and greenery all year long. And finally, our top pick, the LetPot Hydroponics growing system. The LetPot Hydroponics growing system redefines indoor gardening with a seamless blend of technology and plant care. At the heart of this system is its patented smart hydroponic setup, controlled through the exclusive LetPot app. Users can easily adjust the 24-hour LED lighting schedule, ensuring plants receive the optimal amount of light, while a built-in reminder system simplifies watering, keeping your indoor garden thriving effortlessly. Designed for accelerated growth, the LetPot system features a 24-watt full-spectrum LED lighting array that simulates natural sunlight, enabling plants to grow up to 40% faster than conventional soil methods. This advanced LED setup supports year-round cultivation and tracks your plant's growth stages directly through the app, making it simple to monitor progress. The system also offers professional-grade flexibility with 2 distinct LED modes. Whether your plants require blue light for vegetative development or red light for flowering, the LetPot system allows precise customization to meet the specific needs of each plant. All settings are easily managed via the app, giving complete control over your indoor garden. Equipped with 12 planting cups, including sponges, baskets, covers, and A and B nutrients, the LetPot hydroponic growing system provides a complete indoor gardening kit. The adjustable LED rod, extending up to 30 inches, accommodates plants at varying growth stages, while the 5.5-liter water tank supports up to 3 weeks of growth without additional watering. Crafted with quality and durability in mind, the system features a stainless steel outer layer and a top-level resin inner wall, ensuring easy cleaning and maintenance. With lifetime service and continuous remote updates through Wi-Fi, LetPot guarantees access to the latest features and reliable support. This hydroponic system combines cutting-edge technology with practical design, offering an all-in-one solution for anyone looking to cultivate a healthy and vibrant indoor garden.